see what other markets are doing today. Okay, Euro Pound, let's see. Daily chart is now retraced back to Kijun, back to Kumo. So yeah, last week I was expecting the market break support of 0.8304 level, but it was actually supported. And after the news, big news last week on Euro and Pound, the market went all the way up. So now it's at the Kumo, and I don't think there will be a big move from here. Or it may, once the market breaks Kumo, then it may reach the top of this channel. So yeah, with that in mind, I'm watching the forward chart, and now it's going flat. So yeah, no trade for myself. I simply wait for the Kijun center turn bullish. Goodbye. Yeah, so that's Euro Pound. Oh, okay, so Neil is just asking about the Euro Pound. So that is my analysis for this one. So and when the Kijun Sen is flat like this in the forward chart, I don't even look at the lower time frames unless it's retracing back to Kijun Sen. Looks like still this is uptrending because the market is above Tenkan Sen. So to me, this is still bullish, but we have to wait for the Kijun Sen to turn bullish. And most likely, it happens after the breakout of the resistance at 0.8479 level. Because, you know, Kijun Sen takes high and low for the last 26 candles. And this candlestick right now, if you count back 26, that will be here. 1st of February at 10 a.m. UTC. So Kijun Sen's currently taking the low on the 3rd of February and high for today. So in Kijun Sen is the mid price. If I just draw the horizontal line on this lowest price for the last 26 and highest price for the last 26, and if I take the Fibonacci level, then you will see the Kijun Sen is exactly in the 50% because this is the mid price for the last high and low for the last 26 candles. So and from here there will be two conditions for Kijun Sen turns bullish, and one is when low gets higher. So when Kijun Sen takes not this low but the second low, which is here, then that will make Kijun Sen turn bullish. But for that to happen, you know, while the market continuously goes into the range without breaking the resistance, Kijun Sen start to take this second previous high. Let's see how many hours after. It's going to be 13 hours after. So most likely it happens tomorrow if the market doesn't renew higher, but Kijun Sen goes up next time. So I think this is too bullish. So most likely not that the low renews higher, but instead I think high renews higher is quicker and faster, which can happen next time. So that's why I say I simply wait for the breakout, and when it breaks, that will make Kijun Sen turn bullish because mid price gets higher and the Kijun Sen will turn bullish, and then I look for the buy chance for sure. So looks like right now it's range. So every time you see the Kijun Sen flat, there is a chance that the market retrace all the way back to Kijun Sen. So we better stay away in this case. But so simply I wait for the market breaks the resistance of 0.8478 and start to look for buy chance. So what I do here is usually I put the alert slightly above that level, maybe 0.8488 level, 10 pips above, and then I put the alert, and once the alert triggers, I will come back to the chart and see if we can find the confirmations to buy from there so that I can save time without keep monitoring chart until the market breaks resistance. So that's what I usually do. So alert is set, and once it triggers within today's live stream, then we can come back to this chart. Otherwise, we simply forecast on other markets to trade. Yeah. So let's see. Let me check some other markets now. Hello, David. Good to see you. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining. All right. And Marcus also, thank you for joining as well. He says, Kaisen, do you wait for Chikou span to break Kumo 2 or Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen and candle breaks Kumo is enough for you? I would say yes. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, and candle breaks Kumo is just enough. It's just enough. Chikou span doesn't have to break for the uptrend or downtrend confirmation. Yeah, Chikou span still can be within the Kumo, but make sure that Chikou span above candles when it's bullish and below candles when it's bearish. And that's fine. All right, let me continue to cover some other comments now. Holman, thank you for joining. And Steve, welcome back. Thank you for joining as well. Great to see you here. as always. All right, let's see. John Harris says, Kason, I took 2 more trades today based on the 5-minute chart. Both were in profit. I utilized Ichimoku on the daily, although most were ranging a paper trade account, so learning how to trade on sideways market. It has been effective for me with the stochastics and support resistance in the 5-minute chart. Just need to master the price action. Oh, that's good, that's good. Usually I don't trade in the range market because it's not really time efficient for me. So I always trade when the market is trending in higher time frame based on Ichimoku trend analysis. But yeah, you can trade in the range market too. And there's a way to trade in the range market by Ichimoku lines. Like I mentioned, when Kijun Sen goes flat, the market might retrace backwards to Kijun Sen. So in this case, if you want to sell, this is not good timing. But if you want to sell, you might want to wait for the support level breakout in the forward chart or Tenkan-sen break in the forward chart, which is support line breakout will be 0.8437. And once the market breaks support, then you can look for the sell chance. So yeah, technically you can take trades on the retracement back to Kijun Sen in higher time frames. But yeah, usually I prefer to stay away because I prefer to follow the trend directions to expect more than 100 pips or 150 or even 200 pips in profit.